Hey there, friends. I'm Mr. Professional at your service, and I welcome you all to Pays. Let me tell you a little bit about ourselves. We are an accounting and tax consultation firm. We provide a host of services like accounting, registration under various laws, as you can see those on my left. We also provide day to day compliance services like return filing under various laws. We provide consultation services also, as per the need of your business. So basically, if I were to sum it up, we are there for you right from the start of your business to helping you running it smoothly. And on behalf of Pays, I welcome you to our first video. Friends, as you might be aware, we are going through a really tough time right now, as our nation is fighting a threat against which our only line of defense is proper hygiene, sanitization, and social distancing. To contain the outbreak of coronavirus, the government had to take such drastic steps to lock down everything, which is costing the government of India dearly. Centrum Institutional Research, a renowned financial institution, estimates that the lockdown is costing the government of India around 35,000 crore rupees each day. To financially help the citizens of India fight this battle against coronavirus, the Finance Ministry announced the extension of due dates of various returns and tax payment, the details of which you can find on our Instagram and Facebook page. These returns include income tax returns for the financial year 2018-19, GST returns for the month of March, April, and May 2020, TDS returns for the quarter ending March 2020. The due dates of all these compliances have been extended to various dates as per the notification issued by the Government of India. The interest rates on late payment of taxes have been reduced and the penalty on late filing has been waived off. Apart from these, the Government of India has given a host of relaxation to the people and businesses of India. Guys, the government has almost no source of income because of the relaxations given in payment of taxes, and there is no choice but to bear this loss because, after all, lives matter more than money. Friends, while the government is doing its duty by protecting its citizens and their interests, it is our duty to support government to fight this pandemic. I am appealing to the crowd to donate to PM Cares Fund and other government approved fund as much amount as you can contribute if you have not done it already. The businesses which are allowed to operate like grocery stores, medical stores, other businesses which come under the purview of GST, don't wait for 30th June to pay your taxes and file your returns. The tax you will pay today will not only save you from the burden of filing multiple returns and paying 3 months of tax in 1 month, but also will aid the government in this tough time. People who have not filed income tax return for the financial year 2018-19 and 19-20, please file the return and pay the due tax, which will further save you from the interest liability, and the amount will be directly deposited to the credit of India. If you have any trouble in complying with the tax laws, we are here to help. You can either call us or email us, or you can visit our website. And don't worry, our services are completely contactless. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for regular updates. Subscribe to our mailing list in our website if you wish to receive updates via email. If you found this video meaningful, do like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and we'll make sure that you remain updated. Friends, stay home, stay safe, and we at Pays wish you a safe quarantine. And one last thing, our mission at Pays is to see your business raise. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.